Hello everyone, all these are my class 6 students and they have doubt in some questions from chapter 7 social studies agriculture in our time. Okay, so your doubt is in how do banks and moneylenders give loan to the farmer. See, usually farmers they have two sources of taking loans. One is from the bank or from the moneylenders or brokers. Banks give loan to the farmers based on collateral security, but they charge less interest. They charge what? Less interest. Okay, whereas money lenders, they give money or they give loan to the farmers based on personal intimacy, if they know them through friends or relatives, neighbors and all that. Okay, based on their personal intimacy, personal interest. Okay, but they take higher interest from them. They take higher interest from the farmers. Okay, so now suppose if the farmer has taken, for example, you take small farmers. Who are small farmers? Small farmers who have small holdings of land. They have small holdings of land, so they usually cannot provide collateral security to the bank. So on whom they depend for the money now? Money lenders or brokers. So they borrow money from the money lenders or the brokers. Now suppose unluckily, unfortunately, if a natural calamity happens and their crops got destroyed, then they will not be able to repay that loan to the money lender and the interest is also very high. Then what will happen? Those farmers, they will turn into contract laborers. On their own land, they will work as a contract labor. That person, that money lender who gave them money will be giving them some wages for their work. Did you understand, kid? Okay, so that's why for a farmer, borrowing money from a money lender is not so profitable. It is better that they borrow money from the bank. One is because it has low interest and they give money on the collateral, security. And also if some natural calamity happens, if the crop gets damaged or some damage happens to the life, the banks will consider. Yes or no, they forgive the interest, they forgive the loan sometimes, or they extend the time. Okay, to repay the loan. Did you understand, kid? Am I explaining in Latin and Greek? No, right? I am explaining in English only. You are understanding? Okay, done. So, this is one. Then, one more thing. How do you think you can improve the condition of the farmers? How you can improve the conditions of the farmers? See, usually in the villages, there are no factories, industries, shopping malls and all that. So, there are no much jobs. Okay, there are no much jobs. And whatever the jobs they are doing, the wages that they are paid is also very less. Okay, and small farmers, because of the natural calamity, they are turned into contract workers on their own land. So because of all this, what happens? The farmers or the villagers, they move to the city to